In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily clear Facebook history. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu. Then tap at gear to open up settings, and on settings we need to look for activity log. Then you can scroll down and check different types of your activities. If you want to unlike some post, you can tap at interactions, and then you can in likes and reactions find all the posts you have ever liked on Facebook, and then you can hit at three dots, then hit at view, and then remove like. Also from here you can remove your old comments and all these other different types of interactions. And if you want to remove your search history or watch history, you need to go to logged actions and other activity. That's where we can find search history, videos you have watched and videos you have searched for, and of course that different types of activities. If we go to search history, we can easily remove any other searches in that way, one by one, or you can tap at clear searches to remove all of them at once. That's basically how you can clear your Facebook history.